Let's deep dive into the latest in the tech outage now. It's the first working Monday after the biggest global tech outage of the 21st century, and while services are gradually sort of returning to normal, there are still backlogs and delays being faced. For example, airlines are still dealing with the backlog caused by flight disruptions. More than 600 UK flights were cancelled since Friday, remember, and even e-commerce platforms across the globe are facing service delays.
So what else did we see taking place? Several stocks went down. They are still trying to recover. You had banking and fintech services that were facing transaction process delays. You do also have an official statement from George Kurtz, CrowdStrike's CEO. He said that the company took responsibility for the mistake for happening. They also said that a software fix has already been released. Now, he's warned that it will still be some time before tech systems entirely return to normal across the entire world.
Even Satya Nadella, the Microsoft CEO, blamed CrowdStrike and said that the company was working to help customers bring their systems back online. The only people who got saved from this outage were, funny enough, Linux and Apple machine users, because they were not affected by CrowdStrike at all. But here's the thing, CrowdStrike, founded in 2011 by Kurtz and others, was built on a reputation over the years as a firm company that will solve even the toughest security problems. So how could this actually happen? Take a look.
CrowdStrike's routine update of its cybersecurity software, which caused global computer crashes on Friday, apparently didn't undergo proper quality checks before being deployed. That's according to 3 security experts. The latest version of its Falcon sensor software was meant to make its clients' systems more secure against hacking. But faulty code in the update files resulted in one of the most widespread tech outages in recent years for companies using Microsoft's Windows operating system. One security expert said companies like CrowdStrike update their products frequently against malware. But that frequency, he said, is probably why CrowdStrike did not test its product as much. Air passengers worldwide face delays in flight cancellations as airports and airlines, along with banks, hospitals, and government offices, were caught up in the IT outage. This family from Paris was stranded at the airport in Edinburgh, Scotland.
Every hotel in Edinburgh were fully booked. I phoned to 20, 30 hotels and no, we're booked, sorry, we're booked. So we decided to sleep in the airport, on the floor. It was a tough decision with kids and family, but we have no other solution.
Microsoft on Saturday said nearly 8.5 million of its devices were affected, or less than 1% of all Windows machines. CrowdStrike released information to fix affected systems, but experts said getting them back online would take time as it required manually weeding out the flawed code.
Okay, after that, let's